StandardAero recently announced the expansion of its CFM International CFM 56-7B services portfolio to include exchange engine solutions. This new offering introduces an added service option for Boeing 737 NG customers. Under the program, StandardAero will provide a serviceable CFM 56-7B turbofan engine in exchange for an unserviceable power plant. The approach offers a responsive solution for customers like airlines and other asset owners. StandardAero has a proven track record of providing exchange solutions on other engine platforms and is now applying this expertise to the CFM 56-7B program. The company recently completed a similar exchange with India's Stellar Aviation Solutions, delivering a serviceable, warranted CFM 56-7B 26-3 engine for a time-expired unit in exchange. The deal was completed in 6 weeks, enabling the Indian aviation firm to assist with returning a Boeing aircraft to service for urgent cargo operations. Guillaume Limousin, Airline Sales Director for StandardAero's Airlines and AMP Fleet Business Unit, expressed delight in expanding the portfolio of CFM 56-7B service offerings to customers worldwide through the addition of exchange engine solutions. He highlighted the company's ability to work closely with in-house asset management specialists and CFM 56-7 billion Mauritanian Ugayas facilities in Dallas and Winnipeg to provide customers with responsive engine solutions, meeting StandardAero's rigorous quality standards. StandardAero is a leading, independent, pure-play provider of aerospace engine aftermarket services, including engine maintenance, repair and overhaul, MRO, and engine component repair. The company has been an OEM-authorized CFM 56-7B MRO provider with full engine overhaul and test capabilities in 2 locations across North America. This new engine exchange offering introduces an additional service option for Boeing 737 NG customers worldwide. StandardAero provides an extensive range of additional services for the CFM 56 family, including component repair and overhaul capabilities, engine and used serviceable material asset management support, and engine health monitoring data analysis services.